Hello and welcome to my second non-trivial tutorial. This is going to be a quick one. I thought that I would create a show you a situation that's kind of pretty common when you have a call to a function that isn't quite formulated right, and you have a whole bunch of those, so you want to find and replace them all. And this one's specifically for Sublime Text. So let's make ourselves a little bit bigger here. And so what we're going to do is just, select the line that we need to replace. Now there's a whole bunch of these. You see they're right here. And we need to rewrite them. And we're going to get rid of this for a second. So we're going to find all of these lines, and we're going to convert them into a regular expression. So the first thing we need to do is we need to capture the white space. In this case, we're just having tabs, so that's all right. And then we need to capture the next part, the rest of it, and to the new line. Now inside of here, we have a couple of things that we don't want to have when we're trying to have a regular expression. And so that lets us find the line. So now we have this line. Now we need to rewrite it to something actually a bit complicated, which is kind of a little bit stickly here. So there we go. So what we want to do is we want to replace it with that, right? Which is the first one. This refers here, right there. This one right here is cache 1. And cache 2 /n, okay? And then we're going to say cache 1, because we want to always bring in the white space. If we want to say here, actually what we want to do is air equals dot. We want to bring in the white space. If air is not equal nil, then /n, a double white space, because double indentation, and then we want to say t dot error if okay /n, one white space, closing brace, and then /n. Okay, and then we replace all. And now all of a sudden we're taking care that this function now returns an error, right? It didn't return an error before, now it returns an error. So we grab that error, and then we take it in here. By this point, of course, error is set, so we don't have to worry about that. And then we go here, so go test, see if we have any errors. And we don't, it's all good. So that's a really quick way to rewrite code in a more complex manner. You notice how we're writing multiple lines here. We rewrite this line into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines of code with like an actual, control structure. So there you go.